Dallas homeowners, before you call for garage door repair, check these 3 quick things.
If your garage door feels heavy or stops halfway, don't force it. That usually means a weak or broken spring, and forcing it can burn out your opener. And if it's getting louder every week, that's not normal. Grinding or shaking can mean worn rollers or loose hardware. If the door looks uneven or you see gaps underneath, you may have cable or track issues. Small signs can turn into expensive repairs fast, especially with the Dallas heat. Call Garage Door Repair Dallas USA today and fix it before it becomes an emergency.